Sales and invoicing. Sales and invoicing, click on the sales menu option. There's two parts to a sales order. First is the sales order and then the invoicing. They have their own number sequence. So you'll have a sales order number which will then become an invoice number with a different number sequence. Going into sales order, click on sales order, you'll get this list of sales orders. And the sales orders have three stages or three statuses. It can either be an O for order, a D means a delivery note's been created, and I is when it is sent to invoicing. To create a new order, click on create new, confirm create new. New order is created, the new invoice number is assigned, and you can select your customer code. Here's the list. Select customer, select OK. Now you can start entering your sales order information. First piece of information can be the sales order number, date, put in 28th of Feb, period is number 12, and click on the line items of the invoice and start typing the invoice information. Goods ordering 1, unit price is 200, total is 200. If I change it to 2, total is 400, VAT is 60. GL code, you can either click on GL code lookup or you can just type in the GL code. Another way of entering your line items is you can click on add line item. What this does is it will bring up your stock list, and if you set your selling prices, it will pull up the selling price of each item on your stock list. You can put in a order quantity 3, or 400. Select the GL code, you can either type it in or you can click on the drop down, select your sales code. Can go to the next line item or you can close it. That line item is now created on the sales order, and when you're ready you can print the order and the delivery note. When complete, you can change the status from an O to a D to print the delivery note. When you've printed the delivery note, you can change it to an I. This will go off the sales order list and be ready for invoicing. As you can see, it's sales order number 1248. Previous, I'll save it. Go to the sales order list. Order is off the list, and if I go into invoicing, 1248 as a sales order is now on the invoicing list, ready to be invoiced. 1248. No invoice number has been assigned yet. To create an invoice number, you just click on the line item, click on assign number, confirm yes, change the date no, period number 12, and the invoice is ready to be printed, PDF'd or invoiced. Invoice number 1246 is the next invoice number, and that's been assigned to this order. It seems like quite a long process to create an order to an invoice, But you'll find if you're doing it over and over again, it will be very slick, and you just click, and it will be created. Once you're happy with the invoice, you can print it, and you can send it to the customer, either PDF or email. And there it is on your custom letterhead, custom layout, and you can set this up in any format you like. Previous, and it's ready to go into the customer ledger. To send it to the customer ledger, all you can do is click on Post to Ledger, or on the line item you can double click there as Post to Ledger. You just select the line item Post to Ledger, or if you click on the invoice you can select Post to Ledger. Yes, Post to Ledger. A lot of reports are available for your sales. The main one is your history report. Click on History. Period numbers 1 to 12. You can select the start date, end date, transaction number, invoice number. You can select the customer or a GL code, and it will give you all the invoices relating to your selection. If I say period 1 to 12, I'll get the 12 months invoicing. There's 160 invoices. The last date was the 28th of Feb. Total invoice value is 21,292,948. And there's your list of invoices. And this list can be sorted, can be filtered. You can select by any kind of details, any customer order ref if you're looking for that. Or you can sort any of the columns as well. If you click on the column and you click sort, the list is now sorted by that customer. If you want to export it, Control-Shift-E, and it will be ready for exporting. Other special reports that are available, you click on Special Reports. Got invoice summaries and details and product lists and customers. Then a very nice one is your pivot report, invoice summary pivot sales report. Click on invoice summary pivot report. OK. Select your period numbers 1 to 12. And now your sales for the 12th month has been pivoted with the period numbers across the top and your customers down on the left. You can also change your pivot by dragging fields into or out of your pivot. There you can see by period number, you can see your total values, 3.5, 1.7, 900, going all the way across to that total of 21,292,949. You can double click on any one of these numbers and you will get the list of transactions that make up these numbers. Total 2,520,847, 2,520,847. And there we have the sales, orders, delivery notes and invoicing.